Hi from Bug Eye Guys. This is Creamsicle, aptly named for its orange and white color combination. And the story is that the fellow who had this car was using surplus paint from his body shop buddies, and there wasn't enough orange to finish, so he got some white and finished the job. But that's what we've got from 1974, a paint job that held up extremely well when you consider it's been on the car now for almost 45 years. And the body is straight and solid, which is nice. We don't have blisters coming through in the usual places. So again, it's a driver, certainly not a show grade paint job, but it's just fine. And if you're looking for a driver that you can go out and bomb around in and have fun in, this is a really nice sorted car. It doesn't come with the dog, but Bodie and I are going to take you for a drive. Good dog. Too hot. Let me get you something to sit on. Anyway, this car was ours about a year ago, and we did a bunch of sorting out for Richard, the prior owner. And so the new owner of this car will enjoy Bodie will enjoy the benefit of all those upgrades. It's a tight driving, well sorted car, and that's really its best attribute. It does have a side draft Weber if you like that sort of thing. There are a bunch of extra switches on the dash. I'm not sure if any of them are hooked up. This being the turn signals, of course, they only work, there's the green indicator, they only work when the key's on. So that's all set, and I think this was the horn. Let's see if that might be key fed. Let's get that going. Yeah, there's an air horn there, so that's how this one is configured. And then we have fast pins here to pop the hood on the flip forward nose, and some nice mini light style wheels. So let's take Creamsicle for a drive.
All right.